Hi Crafters, this is Crafty Sabby, and yes, I'm alive. I did not fall off the planet. I am okay. And I just wanted to come on today to share a project with you, something that I've been working on, but also to tell you sort of what's been going on. So nothing serious. I've been away for probably about, I don't know, 4 or 5 months now. I just kind of needed a break. I needed to concentrate on some other things that were going on in my life. So just not to bore you too much. So I had some things going on with my family. My dad is okay now. He's still going through some things, but just after Christmas, you know, ended up in the hospital a couple of times. So I just wanted to spend time with them. My mom, she's also going through some things, not physically so much, but, you know, taking care of my dad has been hard work for her. So trying to spend a little bit more time with her. Also, my boys are teenagers, and so recently, you know, girlfriends have been coming into the picture. My oldest has been kind of figuring out what's going on with college and working and all of that stuff. So just wanting to be with my family and my boys and, you know, and that sort of thing. On top of all of that, we had a major renovation going on in our house. So we redid the entire kitchen upstairs, and my husband and I did most of the work, so we just gutted the whole thing and then started fresh. So that took a really long time. It took away from crafting and, you know, being able to come down to my craft room and do anything at all. Then, you know, there's work and all the other stuff. So I was feeling a little overwhelmed. I miss you guys like crazy. I miss making videos. I miss watching your videos. I tried to catch a few here and there, but truth be told, I haven't really watched very many, but I will. I want to go back to all of those that I subscribe to and try to catch up. So I don't even know what's going on, what you guys are working on. I would like to know. I'm back, and I hope to, after this, put up a few more videos. I have some projects that I was working on, and I hope to also do a giveaway. So I have another milestone coming up, and well, to me it is anyway, and just a thank you. So really the purpose of this video is to say thank you. So many of you sent me well wishes and asking where I was and telling me that you missed my videos, and so many beautiful messages. I probably received a few every week for sure, and they all touched me very much. And you guys are, honest to goodness, good people and great friends, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you for that. So let me show you what I got here. So like I said, I'm a little bit out of the loop. I don't know what's going on and what people have been making. I just started playing around with some things, so I apologize if someone's done any of this already. So I'm just going to show you what I've done. So these are some glassine bags that I had, and you could use any glassine bag that you have. These are the regular white glassine bags. This is the bags that I used to get stamps in, and then these are like a paper bag almost. So you could use pretty much anything you want for this project. So let's see. So this one here in particular is actually one of these bags that I just showed you. And I used my Distress ink on it. I didn't coffee stain it or anything. I did some sewing, not there, but sewing, rough kind of sewing around the edge, really right close to the edge so that we didn't lose very much, you know, bag area, if that makes any sense. So some easy sewing there. And then the next thing that I did was I took my punches here. Now, I apologize because So these are punches from EK Success. And I labeled some of them, but I didn't label others. So this one here happens to be called Flourish Square. So that's what I used for some of these. And then this is the other one. It's more like a little flower shape. I don't know what it's called. Sorry about that. But you could use anything that you have that makes a nice open area. You could use a circle if you have it. It doesn't necessarily have to be fancy, but anything like that. And so I just basically put it into my glassine bag here. Let's show you on here. If you guys want a more thorough tutorial on this, I could do it. But for right now, we'll just do it this way. So I put a scrap piece of paper in there first so that you have more paper to punch through, because sometimes the punch will get stuck with that, you know, thin paper inside. So I just put that in there. I kind of centered it the best I could, and I punched a hole right in there. So you can see the shape on that one. Sorry about the glare, but it's the only way to show you there. And then I took a piece of transparency paper or plastic, and you could use anything. You could use old packaging, anything that you have. And I kind of made a little window, so I put a piece in there. Just, you can hear it there. And then, so at first I kind of just put, like this sample here, I just put a piece of book paper inside, which I think looks really cute. Here I punched 2, and I just put a sheet of book paper down in there so you have something to look at. And on this particular bag, of course now I'm on camera, that is not going to go back in. Anyway, that's that same, sorry, that's that same size bag, but I folded up the bottom like this, and I made a little pocket. So when I sewed it, I just sewed it all the way down and across to make a little pocket. So that's what I ended up with here. And then did some decorating. I just collaged and layered up some papers and a little doily there and a little ticket. Oops, and this little thing, little Rondalee gave to me, and I love it. Thank you, Rhonda. And I just put a little ephemera in there, and I popped that in there. And I thought that was really cute. You could probably slide that into a pocket in a journal, or just to give away, or, you know, you can fill it up. But I just thought it was a little nice little touch for a journal. So that's that one. And then on these ones, I didn't fold up the bottom here, so I just left this one long. And that's the little, I found this little image that I had and layered up some doilies. So the front came out really cute. Same thing, I punched a hole there and I put a plastic sheet. But on this one, what I decided to do was, a year or so ago, I printed off some pictures from my computer, and I just went to Walmart with them, and then I got them printed out. So a whole bunch of really pretty ones there, and I never really used them. So I thought, how nice to see something, you know, a couple of cute little faces there in under that window. So I just took one of those photographs and I sewed it to some book page. So I kind of made sure that those cute little faces were going to show through that window before I actually sewed it down. So when I kind of got it where I wanted it, I put a little piece of tape back there just to keep it in place, and then I sewed it. So when I slide that in there, those little girls are peeping through that window, and I thought that was so cute. And I love that one. And then I broke free a little bit from the browns and the colors that I love so much, and I did this little gray or black and white one. So same thing, this was just a glassine bag, and I folded this one up. I put some lace trim on there, and that's a little pocket. I did a little collaging. Again, there I punched out that little window, and there's plastic inside. A vintage button, and this is a paper clip that I made. That just slides right on the front there. And inside this one is, I chose to put a piece of music paper inside instead. And I didn't sew this down because I basically couldn't go wrong with how it fit in the bag. It actually, when I push the photograph down, she peeps through that window pretty nicely, so I didn't have to mess around with it too much. And I just kind of used my distress ink a little bit on here with black, so it came out sort of like a gray tone. And that's it. So like I said, you could just use them for inside your journals, or if you were doing sending a package or something, they're really cute to put some goodies into. So yeah, so that's one little project that I've been working on. So I thought I would just share that, and of course tell you where I've been. So like I said, I really appreciate all of the comments, and that you guys thought about me, and I missed you guys all so much. And that's it. So hopefully I'll be back soon. I got a couple of journals I want to show you, and some other projects. And like I said, a giveaway might be coming up soon too. Take care, you guys. Thank you. Bye.